Today, we will talk about organic fertilizer and abono. But first, we will talk about organic fertilizer. So, what is organic fertilizer? Organic fertilizer is a substance derived from natural sources such as animal waste, from manure, bone meal, blood meal, and plant matter composed seaweeds and minerals. Unlike synthetic fertilizer, they don't contain chemical manufacture, gradual and sustained plant growth. This release minimizes the risk of burning plants and helps improve soil health by fostering beneficial microorganisms. The benefits of organic fertilizer is that to improve soil structure and water retention, enhance microbial activity in the soil, sustain nutrients release for plants, reduce risk of nutrient burn, environmental friendly. In other words, organic fertilizers are naturally substances that improve soil health and provide nutrients to plants, while abono is a term often used interchangeably with organic fertilizer, particularly in Spanish-speaking regions. The use between organic and synthetic fertilizers depends on individuals' priorities regarding environmental impact, soil health, and cost. Now, we will go to abono. Abono is a Spanish word meaning fertilizer. In some contexts, particularly in the Philippines, it can also refer to a specific type of fertilizer or even a political party. However, in agricultural contexts, it generally refers to organic or natural fertilizers used to enrich the soil.
Go!
Nandito tayo ngayon sa building ng College of Art and Science para tanungin sila kung ano nga ba ang mas mainam gamitin sa pagpapatubo ng halaman. Kung natural waste ba ng animals or abono.
2, 3, go!
Magandang umaga po, kuya. May tatanong lang po kami. Ano po sa palagay nyo ang mas mabilis makapagpatubo ng halaman? Kung natural waste ba ng mga hayop or abono?
Para sa akin, abono. Pero, kung mas friendly sa halaman, mas maganda, natural waste. Siyempre, natural lang. Wala siyang chemical.
Thank you po, kuya. Maraming salamat po sa sagot. Magandang umaga po.
Good morning. Ako nga pala si Raymond from CCJE. Sir, pwede po ba yung may interview saglit? Pwede po. Ano po sa palagay niyo mas mabilis magpatubo ng halaman? Organic waste po ba or abono?
Abono po.
Sir, bakit po napili niyo abono?
Ito po, ano po yan, scientific based. And napag-eksperimentohan na rin po siya. Kaya scientifically proven na mas mabilis magpatubo ang abono.
Sir, thank you po, sir.
Magandang umaga po, kuya. Ako po si De La Cruz Florence from CCJE 1B. May tanong lang po ako sa inyo. Sa palagay niyo po, ano po mas mabilis makakapagpatubo ng halaman? Kung natural waste po ba or abono?
Para sa akin abono.
Bakit po?
Kasi yung abono, tested na yan, tsaka maraming gumagamit yun. Lalo sa agriculture.
Maraming salamat po, kuya. Magandang umaga po, sir. Ako po si Chris Florence de la Cruz from CCJE 1B. May tanong lang po kami sa inyo. Ano pong mabilis makakapagpatubo ng halaman? Kung natural waste po ba or abono?
Para sa akin, abono. Kasi yung dati nating sanayan na pampataba ng halaman.
Yun lang. Ayun po ang sagutan niya. Maraming salamat po. Now, we're in Victoria, Laguna, kung saan makikita nyo, malawak na palayan. At dito, malalaman natin kung ano ba talaga ang masigit sa dalawa na mas magpatubo ng halaman, kung abono ba o natural waste ng halaman. Tara, samahan nyo akong interviewin ang mga expert dito. Magandang umaga po, Lolo. May katanungan lang po kami about sa project namin is yung sa tagal nyo na pong nagsasaka at nagpapatubo ng mga halaman, ano po sa palagay nyo yung mga mainam gamitin pagpapatubo ng halaman? Kung abono po ba o natural waste ng mga animal?
Pagkapatubo rin dapat sa mga mga organic
Organic po.
o pagka-umpisa dapat organic na
Dito sa may kawain nga tasak bayan.
mga buto o mga bagay na tanan.
Siguro may mga kasama yung kagat. Baka tinatawagan ng mga kasama, hindi naman ang
Maraming
nilalang.
salamat po, Lolong Wente.
Iniwanan na,
Salamat po
baka
sa operasyon nyo.
nakasunsod na.
Ayun na niya.
are 13 people who chose abono and 6 people who chose organic fertilizer. According to the interview we have as a result, they chose abono because it is cost effectiveness and availability, and it is cheaper or freely available for small scale farmers. It is also reduced and environmental impact, low risk, natural solution that would avoid chemicals runoff throughout the crops and environment pollution. And also 6 people choose organic fertilizer because of precise nutrients ratios and lack access to the abono tradition of our video and result.
The pollen grain's nucleus travels down the pollen tube as it grows towards the ovary and the ovule. The pollen tube reaches a tiny opening in the ovule, and then the tip of the pollen tube dissolves, allowing the pollen nucleus to enter the ovule. Here, the pollen nucleus fuses with the egg cell's nucleus. The fusion of the two nuclei is fertilization. Fertilization creates a new cell called zygote. The single zygote cell divides and develops to become a plant embryo, which has a plumule and radicle. The plumule will go on to become a first shoot of the plant, while the radicle will become a first root. The remaining contents of the ovule develops into cotyledons, which acts as a food store of the new plant. Seed their need-own food store for the earliest stage of growth because no food is produced by photosynthesis until fertilizer makes plant grow faster because it provides essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. These nutrients help plants develop strong roots, healthy leaves, and flowers. Unlike natural soil, fertilizer gives nutrients in a form that plants can absorb quickly, leading to fast and healthier growth.